Hey everyone! Are you ready to discover a delicious drink that's bursting with goodness? It's called the Golden Elixir, and it's about to become your new best friend. This incredible concoction is packed with superfoods that'll leave you feeling energized and revitalized. Intrigued? Let's dive right in. This isn't just any ordinary drink. It's a symphony of flavor and health benefits, all blended into one delicious package. From boosting your immunity to giving you glowing skin, the Golden Elixir is like a mini vacation for your body. Ready to learn more? Let's unlock its secrets. What makes this drink so special? Is it the way it glistens in the glass, or perhaps the way it tantalizes your taste buds with every sip? It's all thanks to the magnificent 4 ingredients: creamy coconut milk, vibrant turmeric, powerful black pepper, and nutritious chia seeds. These 4 come together in perfect harmony to create something truly extraordinary. Each ingredient brings its own unique benefits to the table, creating a powerhouse of flavor and nutrition. When combined, they form a drink that is not only delicious, but also incredibly good for you. First up, we have coconut milk, the base of our elixir. This creamy liquid is the foundation upon which all the other ingredients build. Don't be fooled by its rich and creamy texture. Coconut milk is surprisingly light and refreshing. It's the perfect balance of indulgence and health. It's packed with healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that are essential for good health. These nutrients support everything from brain function to heart health. Next, we have turmeric, the golden child of the spice world. This vibrant spice is not just for color, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. This vibrant spice is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to boost brain function. It's like a little miracle worker in your kitchen. Remember, a happy brain means a happy you. So why not indulge in this golden elixir and give your body and mind the boost they deserve? Let's move on to black pepper, the unsung hero of this drink. Often overlooked, black pepper is more than just a spice that adds a bit of heat to your dishes. While you might think it's just there for a bit of a kick, black pepper actually helps your body absorb turmeric more effectively. This dynamic duo works together to enhance the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of turmeric. It's like a little helper, making sure you get the most out of every sip. By boosting the bioavailability of turmeric, black pepper ensures that your body can fully benefit from this golden spice. Last but not least, we have chia seeds, the tiny powerhouses of the nutrition world. These small seeds are a treasure trove of nutrients. Don't let their size fool you. These little seeds are packed with fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. They are incredibly versatile and can be added to a variety of dishes. They'll keep you feeling full and satisfied, and they're great for your heart health too. Chia seeds also help in maintaining stable blood sugar levels and provide a steady source of energy. So there you have it, the magnificent 4 ingredients that make up the Golden Elixir. Each one brings its own unique set of benefits to the table. Each one is a superstar in its own right, but when combined, they create a symphony of flavor and health benefits that's hard to beat. This elixir is not just a drink, it's a celebration of nature's best offerings. Section 4. Concoct your elixir of health. Now for the fun part, making your very own golden elixir. Don't worry, it's super simple and only takes a few minutes. Ready? Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of coconut milk. Choose the canned variety for a creamier texture. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Feel free to adjust according to your taste. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a little goes a long way. And 1 tablespoon of chia seeds for an extra boost of nutrition. Simply add all the ingredients to a blender and whiz them up until smooth and creamy. That's it. Your golden elixir is ready to be enjoyed. Section 5. A taste of sunshine in every sip. The golden elixir is not only good for you, but it also tastes incredible. This delightful beverage is a harmonious blend of flavors that dance on your palate. Imagine a warm, comforting hug in a mug. That's what this drink feels like. It's like wrapping yourself in a cozy blanket on a chilly day. The coconut milk provides a creamy base, rich and smooth, making every sip a luxurious experience. The turmeric adds a subtle earthiness, bringing a unique depth of flavor that is both intriguing and satisfying. The black pepper gives it a gentle kick, enhancing the overall taste and adding a hint of spice that lingers pleasantly. And the chia seeds add a delightful little crunch, providing an interesting texture that makes each sip more enjoyable. You can enjoy your Golden Elixir warm or cold, depending on your preference. Whether you need a warming drink on a cold day or a refreshing beverage in the heat, it's perfect. For an extra touch of indulgence, sprinkle some cinnamon on top or add a dollop of coconut cream. These additions elevate the drink to a whole new level of deliciousness. Trust me, once you try the Golden Elixir, you'll be hooked. Its unique blend of flavors and health benefits will make it a staple in your daily routine. It's the perfect way to start your day, giving you a boost of energy and a sense of well-being, or to enjoy as a healthy and delicious treat any time of day. Whether you're relaxing at home or on the go, the Golden Elixir is your perfect companion. Section 6. Cheers to a healthier you. So, are you ready to experience the magic of the Golden Elixir? Give it a try and let me know what you think. Remember, good health doesn't have to be complicated or boring. With a few simple ingredients, you can create a drink that's both delicious and incredibly good for you. Happy sipping, Kate X.